Hello everyone, this is Monica Miyama, software engineering student at Makerere. I'm going to take you through my AI fashion project that's used for solving ill fit among garments ordered online. The contents of my presentation today are going to be brief on the problem being solved, background of the AI project significancy, project scope, statement of the problem, research questions, research objectives, hypothesis, data description, proposed AI methodology, and then the references. The AI problem and background of the project. The real-time problem to be addressed is ill fit. Ill fit is a situation where a garment or outfit order doesn't fit the client perfectly. This normally happens with online platforms where one may order an outfit and it may be oversized or undersized. Since online shopping is becoming a trend today, it will be of great importance if clients are satisfied with the order that are delivered. And this can only happen if you have the real size of the client and you're able to get for them the outfit that fits them according to that size. Also, in case a cloth doesn't fit a client perfectly, they may return it and may never buy from your platform again because they will be totally disappointed by what you've ordered at first. So it will also cost a fashion designer around 35% in case they're willing to redesign the piece for the customer who has returned it. And it's really frustrating to do another piece when you have a lot waiting at your desk. The significance of my project: with this AI project for solving ill fit, fashion designers will be able to design a fabric for the clients without actually meeting them. This will increase on the market base and save transport costs for both the client and the designer. Besides, a fashion designer can work from anywhere and at any time, and the client can easily order for a design or an outfit from the best fashion designers without worrying about the actual measurements and how they're going to be taken. This project will also save the designers from losses that would have occurred in case of ill fit and redesigning or resizing their garment. It will also leave the clients happy and satisfied, hence building goodwill. The AI project scope. In this project, the scope will be the target classes, majorly the fashion designers, online boutiques, and everyone who is willing to order a garment online. We assume that decisions and options offered by the online platforms are that if an outfit order does not fit them, they will pay a certain cost because they're returning it. This is catered for individuals who may actually just want to manipulate a system where you can return if it doesn't fit you. Some people may return the cloth when it actually fits them. So that cost is actually to cater for that, so that people don't manipulate the system. And the statement of the problem. To answer this, I'm going to consider what I'm doing, what the problem is, why it is a problem, how it's a problem, and the solution to the problem. What I'm trying to do is to build a machine learning model that can get the 3D human body measurements based on a 2D picture. And the problem at hand here is ill fit among garments ordered online. You order cloth, it doesn't fit you, so you're not satisfied. Ill fit, the problem is in that it wastes time and resources, both the client and the fashion designer. In case of redefining the piece, it may cost the fashion designer around 35% of the original cost to make the adjustments and make a size that fits the client. In this scope, a client is supposed to pay an agreed amount before returning an outfit. This is really a big issue. I've already ordered for clothes. First of all, it doesn't fit me. Then I'm supposed to pay some little amount before it can be redefined. People will actually give up and not really order from your platform again because they'll be frustrated and you'd have killed your goodwill or first impression. And well, what are we going to do about this? We have a solution, and this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to present a solution to this problem, but actually having a model that can estimate accurate 3D body measurements from a 2D picture. All a client has to do is to send their picture full picture, and then we shall be able to get their measurements, and this will be accurate with an accuracy like an error of around 2%. So during this project, we had some research questions basis of our analysis, and the research questions were what are our target classes, their decisions and their options, then the interpretable, how interpretable is our machine learning model, then how data was collected or what data is being used and how available it is, how data is processed, how we train and test our model, how we evaluate our model, accuracy of the model based on the set target and problem being solved, then how satisfactory we shall be when a model is a success, and research objectives. To acquire the appropriate and available data sets to be used in the project. Here, the available data sets that are going to be used are body RGB, body fit, and cursor fit. To be able to manipulate and process the data effectively to achieve the required results with high accuracy, to get the best machine learning model that is easily interpretable and can work well with the available data sets. Here we intend to use the convolutional neural network deep learning architecture to solve this, to fully satisfy our target groups by addressing the problem at hand. For this case, having a customer get an outfit that fits them well and also maintaining the goodwill of the online platforms and fashion designers. The hypothesis, what are the likability? What will happen if our project comes to be a success? Here, in case of success of this project and adoption by many online platforms, fashion designers and fashion lovers, we are more likely to reduce the number of outfits returned after delivery. This not only helps us, clients or the customers, but also clients, the customers, and the fashion designer, but also the whole world. Imagine the carbon rate that's going to be reduced by an outfit that was not returned because it has been accepted. This is going to be a really great thing, and we really need to use this. Also likely to have clients get services from experts all over the world, and this will contribute the growth of the economy. If you're having taxes levied among goods ordered and delivered online, that means we shall be able to track all that and we shall be able to tax them and will increase our economy. Then the dataset description. Here we're going to use 3 datasets. That's the body fit dataset. This is a dataset that's made up of 2,675 female and 1,474 male 3D body scan fitted measures. We also have the body RGB dataset of 108 female and 86 male subjects that were captured by an RGB camera and tape measured manually on ground. Cursor fit dataset. This is going to be used to train and test our dataset. Okay, for this case, we're going to be using the convolutional neural network architecture to obtain high accuracy on the 3 datasets. And with our model in place, we shall be able to obtain a required measurements of a client from their frontal and size images before a garment can be customized for them. For this case, we're going to use the body fit and RGB measurements for convolution and pulling, then the scissor fit for extracting the actual features so that we can compare them with the two. Then the proposed AI methodology. Here, the proposed AI methodology is the convolutional neural network, CNN, that will be used to acquire high accuracy on the 3 datasets. CNN is a deep learning model for processing data with grid patterns. It's composed of 3 building blocks, i.e. the convolution block, pooling, and fully connected layers. Convolution and pooling extract the features, whereas fully connected layers map the extracted features onto the classified output. CNN has a number of uses in the AI field. However, in this project, it will be majorly used for image reconstruction in order to attain the required body measurements. For this, the conversion and pulling will be with the body fit and body RGB, and the fully connected layers will be with the Kazakh fit. Thank you. That's all I had for you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and wait for more updates on this project. Bye.